Dear learners, welcome back to this MOOC on virtual education. In this session, we will take you to an interesting e-learning tool called Canvas. So, let us see what is this Canvas and how to set an e-learning platform through Canvas. So, let us go to the demo. So, now go to google.com, type Canvas. So, once you type Canvas, there is something you will get: collaborate and create. It is an LMS. We will see the Canvas learning management system. Okay. So, here you will see what are the features of Canvas. Okay. It is a very powerful learning management system, and I wanted to tell you that there is a free version available for teachers. Okay. So, for example, you go to try it for free and you submit that your first name and other things. So, for teachers you will get a free version. Okay. You have something like this: try Canvas for free, and it is free for the teacher, and it has all the essential features and the functionality of Canvas LMS, even if your institution does not have any account for the Canvas. Okay. So, now I have already created. So, what you are supposed to do is go to Canvas and log in. So, how to log in? There is something called canvas.instructure.com. Okay, canvas.instructure.com. You just go there. If first you have supposed to register, and once you have registered, you can also see here, need a Canvas account, you can do it here also. But I have already registered through my email ID, and I will just log in. So, now this is the typical dashboard of Canvas. So, you have your account details. So, in the account detail you have all the notification, file settings, e-portfolios. This is very important. What is an e-portfolio? It is a place where you can display and discuss the significant submissions and experiences that are happening during your learning process. So, you can use the e-portfolio to display the papers that you are proud of for more than just your instructor to see, and talk about the thought and work went into your classroom submission, gather an overview of educational experiences as a whole. You can share your work with your friends and future employees and many other things. And there are many other settings we can go through. There are a lot of settings, and the files you can upload, whatever the files that you have uploaded. Then your profile. So, the profile has all your bibliography and many other things. You can give your LinkedIn profile and other things. You also have a QR code. You can also set a QR code for display. This QR code can be used for mobile login. If you want to log in through your mobile, you can use this QR code, and any global announcements if you have, you can give it. Then go to the dashboard. We will come to the dashboard. Here I can start a new course. There are two options. You can start a new course and you can see the grades of the previous course. Now I will start a new course. Let us see what is the course name. We will call it as virtual education course. You create a virtual education. I have started a new course. So, now what are the ingredients of this course? Please put a course image, name of the course code, and the time zone, and what is the publication of this course, participation, it can be a course, and what is the language, file storage capacity, whether it is for a large student group, grading scheme, all these things you are supposed to update the course details. Then there are a lot of sections you can add within the course, you can add lot of sections. Okay. Then you have a navigation page like home, assignment, these are all the navigation page. You have lot of apps. lot of future options are also available, and you can integrate some of the things. Now, when I go to the course, okay, you can introduce each module in each course. For example, you can add a module on your choice. See, for example, e-learning is one module. I can add a module. Each module you can drag and drop the module also, okay, and so you can import some existing contents. See, for example, I want to import some existing contents. For example, I can even copy a Canvas course. I will just check. For example, I can, there is already one course that I have taken from, I have already, so I have, you can add all the contents or only specific contents, okay, and I can say import. So I have imported a course which has each module. Please see, it has a sample page. Module has something called as a sample page, okay. There are a lot of pages for each module. You can add modules for different pages, okay. Then you can have a lot of announcements as a part of the course, and you can start a discussion. We can have a quiz. You can also have some kind of simple quizzes. You can have a graded quiz. So how to start a quiz? You have to put a quiz here, and you can edit the questions, and you can put any number of questions as you want. Similarly, you can also have some kind of assignments. You can have simple assignments, like in Moodle, whatever you do, you can also have a lot of assignments, and for assignments you can also have some rubrics. I think in many other courses you already know how to create a rubrics. For example, for projects or for any other seminar and other things, you might have seen how to create a rubric. For even assignments also, we can create a rubrics here. Okay, that is the beauty of this LMS. You can create a rubrics for the assignments. You can have discussions. You can, as I told you, you can have quizzes. All the details are here. You can just see. Very important thing that you see as a part of, you can have outcomes set as a part of this. How do we set the outcomes? As all of you are practicing outcome based education, you can set up the outcomes in the course as measured by the pedagogical goals or the desired objectives, which will help the students to learn the skills and activities rather than just focusing on the grades as a measure to their success. And student progress through calculation method and a measure progress directly in the learning mastery grade book. So this is a very nice thing. So you can use, there are a lot of instructions how to use outcomes in the page course. So just go to the outcomes, set up the outcomes, okay, and you can put this outcomes as a part of your course, okay. You can create an outcome of a course, okay. You can create the outcome for the groups of a course. You can import the outcomes for the course. I can import courses. If you have already defined outcomes for some other course, I can import them, okay. So you can, there is a learning mastery handbooks to view the outcome results in the course from the grade book. All the details are given here. And you also can set the conference through big blue button software. You can, conference means virtual classroom, like Google Meet. You can also add some conferences as a part of your course. You can also add some collaborators for this course, and also some collaborations, like you want to use Google Doc as the collaborative software for this course. That is also possible. And analytics are available here. You can also track the students performance and the activity. Complete analytics can be included as a part of the course. You can put the rubrics here. You can add any rubrics. All the help pages are given. You can go through the help page and use this software effectively. And you can go to the settings. You can add students here. There is no problem. You can update the students. You can add students. There are something called people. So you can add the people. and you can add the people with different roles as a co-teacher or a teaching assistant or a course designer or an observer or the students. All these roles are available. You can add any number of people. Okay, I will just to show you, and then actually whatever the course that you create is through commons. Okay, somebody else can also share the course. Okay, so for example, I will show you some course which has been developed by some people. For example, we can search for a course, existing course. So I will just check. There is one person, there is something called a course on computer science. You can see this course, how this course is dealt, what is the details, who are the authors, what are the version notes. Okay, and this is in public domain. Okay, you can import or download these courses. Like that, there are many courses that you can download. Similarly, for example, I can go to the dashboard. I can see, or I can join a course also. For example, you can join a course also here. There is no issue. You go to the course. I want to just go to the course. You can browse more courses. Okay. For example, there is an LMS demo course. I just wanted to see what is this LMS demo course. So this is a recent activity in that LMS demo course. They have given a lot of assignments here. You can go through. What are the pages? So view all pages. So here they have second page. So somebody has started doing this. They have uploaded some files. LMS demo course. Okay, you can also see a lot of other courses. For example, let me see some courses which has been built properly. So for example, there is a demo course. There is something called a demo course which has some kind of syllabus, how they have done, pages, they have built some pages. Okay, and a link to the first page. So you can see lot of courses that are available in Canvas. Fine. I will just, so there is a help button. You can see how to take the help, and whatever the mails that you get, you can see from the students. There is a calendar set. You can set your calendar, and many things you can do with this course. So I request you to just try a free version of this Canvas, create a course and experience the art of making an online course. And you will see a lot of help menus and a lot of web pages that will help you to design a course through Canvas. So this is just for your experience, to get the first hand experience of developing an online course. And I request you to just have this experience so that you can understand the problems that come across while you enable the e-learning modules. So with this, I request you to have some kind of experience in building online courses. This Canvas is just one example. There are many such kind of platforms. You can choose any platform of your choice and your comfortable your comfort. You please do some kind of activities with these kind of portals and get some hands-on experience in building an online course. Thank you very much.